It's kind of wild, right?
Yeah.
Robots taking over. Used to be something out of like a movie marathon, and now it's, well,
Just another Tuesday.
practically. But, gotta admit, when Elon Musk jumps into the ring, things get chum.
Interesting.
That's an understatement. So we're doing a deep dive. Tesla bot, Optimus, no hype, just
To know.
exactly what it is, what it means for all of us, really.
And it's perfect timing because Tesla just, well, unveiled their upgrade. Version 2.0, you know, those clunky prototypes?
Yeah.
Gone. This one's sleek, almost, I don't know, elegant. Definitely humanoid.
Easy to forget it might be building your next car. That's
Yeah.
the thing, right? Not some concept. Musk wants these in factories. Soon.
Working factories.
Yeah, and here's the kicker. Not the looks. The brains. They put in the AI the same stuff as the self-driving cars.
Imagine that spatial awareness, but in a robot that can move things precisely.
So not just avoiding a traffic jam, but navigating a whole factory floor, grabbing parts, even learning from like mistakes as it goes.
Real-time learning. It's one thing to have a car drive itself. It's another to have a car built by basically itself. The ripple effect, I mean.
It's huge. Think about it. If Tesla can nail this in their factories, why stop there? Warehouses, the whole logistics chain, anything repetitive, it could be...
Revolutionized.
Exactly. Order something online. Could be a Tesla bot picking your order instead of, you know...
person. Okay, that's, wow. But also kind of,
Concerning.
yeah. What happens to those jobs? And what about things that need, I don't know, a human touch? Like, can it make a decent latte?
The million-dollar questions and no easy answers. It's not just can robots do this, it's should they? What happens to the workforce then? Some people say this could change everything, even universal basic income might.
Whoa, UBI, that's a whole other,
Deep dive.
for sure. But you're right, not just robots making cars, it's how does the world even work?
Right. And it's not all doom and gloom. What about the potential upsides? Like if businesses save tons of money automating cheaper stuff for everyone.
Okay, I'll buy cheaper gadgets. I'd be down for that.
Exactly. Plus, this is global, right? Japan, South Korea, they're already ahead in the robot game. This could be what the U.S. needs to, I don't know.
Catch up.
Or even take the lead. Think a whole new industrial revolution, but robot.
The robot revolution. And with any revolution, there's going to be winners, losers, and a whole lot of change. How do we even prepare for that?
That's the thing, isn't it? Labor, the economy, even global power dynamics. And it all comes down to, I think, how we handle the elephant in the room, the ethics of it all.
The ethics of AI, right?
Yeah.
This is where things get really interesting. This is, I mean, we're in sci-fi territory, right? Machines learning, making choices. How do we make sure those choices are, you know,
The right ones.
yeah, for us, not accidentally starting a robot uprising or something.
No uprisings today, I promise.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the big question for like AI ethics. How much freedom is too much freedom? Can you code morality into a machine?
It's uncharted waters. And whatever we do, it's...
Roadmap for the future.
And it's not just, you know, robots going rogue. What about the information? They're going to be everywhere. Factories, homes. They'll know.
Everything.
Right. Who controls that data? How do we even have privacy when there's a robot?
Always watching.
So we need, like, a whole new rule book for this stuff.
You do. And not just one country's rules either. This has got to be global. Imagine what if one country's like, safety third to get ahead.
That affects everyone.
Exactly. We need everyone on board, ethical guidelines, the whole 9 yards.
This is feeling less like robots are coming and more like they're already here. Better figure things out fast.
Right.
Okay, so where's Tesla in all this? They're not the only game in town, are they?
Not even close. You've got Boston Dynamics. They're all about like super agile robots, backflips, you name it.
Which, cool, but not sure that helps with the dishes, you know?
That's the difference. Tesla's not just going for flash. It's versatility, affordability, robots that fit into our lives.
So it's less, look what this robot can do, and more, can this robot learn to do the laundry?
Exactly. Then there's Amazon. They're already using robots in warehouses, but can they interact with people the way Tesla wants Optimus to? That's the question.
So it's a robot race, kinda. Boston Dynamics pushing the limits of what a robot can do. Tesla's like, make it useful. Who wins?
Too early to tell, but Tesla's got the AI edge, maybe. They're not just building robots, they're building the brains behind them, too. Some of the most advanced AI, period.
Okay, so that's the what and the why, but what about the when? When are we talking about actually seeing these things out in the world?
Knowing Elon Musk, probably sooner than we think. Realistically, though, Tesla is aiming for working Tesla bots in the field within, say, the next few years. Mass production. Maybe by 2025.
2025? That's like right around the corner. We could be seeing these things everywhere in a few years, serving us coffee, delivering packages, building our cars.
It's possible. And then there's Musk's long-term vision. He's talked about future versions going way beyond these basic tasks. Robots that could be companions, help care for the elderly, maybe even become, friends.
Wait, robot friends. Now, that's a whole other level. We're not just talking about robots doing our chores. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology. With each other, even. I don't know about you, but I'm getting kind of whiplash here. One minute, it's robots in factories. The next is, like, robot pals hanging out. Where do we even... I mean, is this exciting? Scary.
Probably a bit of both,
Right.
right?
And I think that's the core of it. It's not just the tech moving fast. It's, are we ready for this? As people, as a society, for all this to change?
Exactly. The ethics, the rules, even just wrapping our heads around what AI can do.
Hmm.
We're playing catch up, big time.
Like trying to fix a car while it's still running.
That's a good one.
But that's what's really hitting me. This isn't some far-off thing. 2025, that's, what, a couple of years?
And that's Musk's whole point. It's not if, it's when. Robots, they're going to be part of life. And he's betting Tesla's going to be the one, leading the charge.
So what about everyone listening? You picturing a Tesla bot making your coffee, or are we all more worried about, I don't know?
The robot uprising.
Hey, you never know.
Yeah.
But seriously, it's bigger than just one company, one type of robot even, right?
Absolutely. This is about us, humanity,
Yeah.
figuring out how we live with alongside, I don't know, technology that's changing faster than we can really keep up with.
It's not just a headline. It's like
Yeah.
the whole story of right now unfolding.
And that's what we try to do here on the deep dive, right? Give you the info, the, I don't know, the wait, what moments. So you're not just watching this happen, but you can...
Be a part of it.
Exactly.
Because one thing's for sure, the future isn't waiting around.
Nope, it's getting built one line of code at a time.
One Tesla bot at a time. And on that note, we'll leave you with this. What kind of future are you building?